Are there any troubleshooting tips?
Yes, there is, Ken. There's a multitude of tips for alternate fuel gas, depending upon the application you're looking at. If it's clean plate, if I want to gouge a tip out, if I want to gouge an old weld out, if I want to cut next to a bulkhead, we have several tips available for alternate fuel gas, as we do for acetylene. The most common difference is a general purpose tip, or a GPP, versus a high preheat tip, or an HPP. General purpose tip would be used for cutting clean metal in a fab shop, etc. When I get into the HP tip, it's a little bit easier to light. It'll also give you a little bit better preheat. So if I got to go through some rust or cut off an old rivet head or something, I would use an HPP. The rest of them, gouging tips, they're all available.
Tim, I see we have some heating nozzles here. Could we go through these?
Sure. Again, there's several tips made for the different fuel gases. The ones we're going to talk about here are alternate fuel gas tips. This is a standard number 8 multi-flame tip. This would be used for alternate fuel gas to heat up a piece of plate or a piece of angle I wanted to bend, etc. Remember we talked about acetylene with the pinpointed heat? Well, and this gives you the enveloping heat or the saturating heat. Well, if I want to get that pinpointed heat, we have a CHT, or a concentrated heat tip. That's what this is. So there's many ways to do it.
Well, Tim, this has been great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Keep in mind, I can do anything with the alternate fuel gas. The misconception, again, is the fuel gas does the work. It's the cutting action that does the work. With the proper equipment, the proper gas, for the recommended procedure, for that particular process, I can do anything with alternate fuel gas as I can with acetylene, with the exception of weld.